Hello guys, come with me as we make this trendy handkerchief skirts, guys. Here I'm trying to fold my material. I've folded my material into 2, then into 4. Make sure that the material you're using is by 60. Now I'm trying to be sure that what I folded will be okay for what I need, right? All right, so now the next thing is to get my round circumference. I use my hip because this skirt is going to have a rubber. Okay, so I use my hip circumference by 4. Then I look for a place that can accommodate that. Okay, then I chalk it this way. All right, yeah, just like you see me do. That is okay. I use my hip, not my waist, because we are going to use rubber, elastic rubber. Then from there, I identify the length of the skirt, leaving 2 inches out of the line, as you see me do, because that's what I'm going to use for my band, the band of the skirt, a band for the skirt. Now I identify the longer parts, the dangling parts rather. Yes, I identify it where I want the actual length that I want. Then that's me. I'm trying to get that also. Then I measure this place. And I remember that these 2 sides of my skirt have to be the same. You know, I guessed it earlier. So I have to work according to the other side so that they can be the same, guys. Then the next thing that I do is to connect that to the longer part of my skirt, the dangling part of my skirt. Then I use my free hand to connect it. And then I connect to the other side as well. Yeah, just like you see me do. And our handkerchief skirt is ready. What I need to do is to cut it out, guys. If you want to have that second step, you can have it if you want. It's just to cut something straight and add to it. But my battery is running off, so I can't